Okay, today I'm going to show you a stitch. I'm working on a mystery knit along shawl, and this stitch is called the SSP stitch, which basically it's a slip slip purl stitch, and there's a little bit involved with it. First of all, you're going to take these two stitches, you're going to slip this stitch knitwise, slip the next stitch knitwise, then you're going to move it back to the left needle, and then you're going to purl it together through the back loop. As you can see, I'm coming through the back loop like that. Slide it off. Needles are not twisted, the stitch is not twisted, and that's what it looks like. Alright, give me 1 second and I'll get to the I'll show it again. Just give me 1 second to get to the next stitch. I'll show it one more time. Again, this is a slip slip purl stitch. So we're going to do these first two stitches, or slip slip purl. You're going to slip it knitwise, slip it knitwise. Uh-oh, my yarn's a little splitty. Make sure I get every one of my strands. Okay, slip it knitwise. Then you're going to take your two stitches, move it back to the left hand needle, purl through the back loop, slide it off the needle, and that's what it looks like. That's what the stitch looks like. Alright, well, thank you so much.